Or there's probably some of you who want to see me shake my
big, juicy,
gargantuan ass.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you say.
Look what I spy with my little eye.
Block
watch.
I'm back home from Alaska. Yeah, my grandma put curtains up in my room. I got a harness over there hanging for this thing. And yeah, I gotta swap the glass out. New phone wallpaper. Grandma bought a Mustang V6, paid $3,500 for it. Has a power steering issue. There's some spray paint. Also spray painted my feet. I don't know why. There we go. It's not too bad. I just gotta wash the car now. Why does it smell like pizza in here? Oh, here's the wrap. It's over. I know. It's the same. Doodle. 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 Dude, I love this cat. I color matched it to the Suburban, and it's pretty much Suburban silver. What are you doing? 45 seconds. I'll call that done. So I took the whole body kit off and I hosed it down. Here's the body kit. Yep, just getting it ready. Touched up some paint right there. Open. Okay, take two. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm autistic. Let's see, what have I done? I tapped these to be M8 instead of M6, so 12mm bolts. Adjusted the hood so it doesn't scrape, because I guess they're nuts on a stud, but these nuts are fucking stripped on the backside. It's not too big, so if I lay the wrap on top of it, and then just make a little cut and then get it around, got the relay all buttoned up nicely. Oh yeah, this video. 5 by 60 feet full guide. This guy is pretty cool.
Lemmiwinks, you are coming to the entrance of the small enticement. There you must seek out the Sparrow Prince.
gradually brought it back to life.
Hello.
With spin a yarn booming.
Alright, update. This looks like herpes. I think I'm just gonna sell the rest of this wrap on Facebook, because this is way too much.
Now that you're the gerbil king, there's more adventures to go on. Fly away to faraway lands and to the setting sun. There's still so many enemies and battles yet to fight. For Lemmiwinks, the gerbil king, to be told another night.
I got it on.
Oh, hell no!
It looked the whole car, and I didn't record any of it. But I got this thing wrapped. I was gonna wrap these, but I don't want to get rid of my Moon Eyes sticker. Let's see, it's also like not patchwork. This one was the first panel I did, so it's all scratched up and fucked. Swapped the emblem out from the Juki bumper to the updated 180 bumper, the late 90s Nissan logo. And I have this logo on the back, which is the old, early 90s logo. Cool though. And I got an adapter plate. This is for a mini truck. I don't know if you can tell, there's a little gap between the license plate and the front thing. It adapts the Japanese bumper to the American plate. I think that's better. Okay. Oh yeah, it actually fits. Just one's up top. There we go. Nope. apart. Hold on. Got this thing pretty much all wrapped. Just the back of it. It's done because don't want it to look garbage.
Tons and tons of babies with hair. Take me on a roller coaster, yeah.
Not horrible. Do your shot, I guess. I don't know. I got a new shift knob. I mean, I put this in a bit ago, but cool. Grex power system. Just got that one panel done, or panel left, and I'm finally fucking done with this stupid ass wrap. Also, I had this completely taken apart. Those little vents, and it had like this trim. Had that all out. I have a problem with it. Sorry, I gotta turn this off. I'm like, 2 hours being very funny.
Someone tell me, who am I supposed to be? Give me direction, I need affection. Late at night, I don't have to be myself. Pretend to need all of the books placed on my shelf.
My color settings are like all messed up, and I don't know where the fisheye is, but I just want to show the new seat before I put it in. Drove to Covington. Nice. Bright bricks. This is gonna be replacing this seat, which was my dream seat for a while, but you know. Oh, he's so sad. He doesn't want to go. Oh, look at him. Okay. First impressions in the car. It touches my e-brake. As far as like getting down to here, I can still get that lever. Good, squishy, I can get in there. As far as where I'm sitting, let's see. I think I'm sitting higher than normal. It's nice to Hatsune meet you. Oh gosh. Shout out Tyson. Awesome. This is probably what the next video is going to be about. Dum dum dum. Oil. When I zoom in, you can tell there's some shit wrong with it. Oh, this looks cool too. Yep. But yeah, let me show this in the sunlight. I haven't seen it for myself yet either. Oh. My friend thought the seat was lame as fuck when I got it. I showed him and he's like, dude, why didn't you just get a rep of it? Dude, you overpaid so much money. Gay. Ha ha ha. Well, guess what? I should get like a suction cup thing for this. And then I can like mount you upside down. And if I got the fisheye on here, I could probably, dude, fuck, maybe you could probably see like where the homeowners go. I'm not supposed to know this or something, but there's a jaguar in there. Well, that was all the footage I needed for the new video.
Oh, waffle sandwich, waffle. Star doesn't like.
Peace out.
Adios, nuclear reactor!
Your sweatshirt is so blue, it looks like water!
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's
I'm a crazy weirdo and I'm calling you. I've really got nothing better to do. I dial up your number and I let the phone ring. Then 2 minutes later I'll be doing it again. You might think that I'd move it along, but you would be wrong. I've got no life at all, and so I'll continue to call. I'm a crazy weirdo and I'm calling you.